Hello everyone, it's really good to see you here. So today we are going to solve part sum problem of a Leetcode, and so we have given a root, we have given a tree, and we have given an integer target, and we have to travel from root to leaf and check whether we found any path sum which is equal to the target or not. So let's suppose we have given this tree and the target is 14. So in this case, when we go from 5, 3, 5, 4 and 2, so the sum would be here, you can see that it would be 11, right? If we come in this direction 5, 4 and 5, we are going to have 14. And then if we come in this direction 5, 6, which is 11, and then 8, which is going to be have 19. So in this case you can see that we are able to found a path sum which is equals to 14. That's why we are going to return true. So how we are going to approach this problem is that we are going to sum this sum function is going to contain the values of each node. So let's suppose it firstly had 5, then 4, then 2. So here we have 11, right? Let's suppose we got 11. Then after 2 you can see that there are no left and right children. So in this case we are going to check that this particular s is equal to the target or not. If it is equal to the target, we have a boolean function which is global. So what we do, we just make the boolean function 1. So in this case 11 is not equal to target, so we just skip this and we go to the other root. And in this case you can see that 5, 4 and 5 is going to return 14, and we again check that if s equals to 14 is equal to target or not. So it is equal to target, so we just make our b equals to 1. So hence b is a global boolean variable. That's why after having the pre-order traversal of the tree, we got the value of b. So whatever the value of b is, either 0 or 1, we are going to return this as our answer. So let's look the code of it. So here firstly, this is a path function. So if what we are going to do is we are going to take an integer s which is going to have the sum of the values of the root, or each time we are visiting a node we are adding that value. And if we reach to the leaf node, till that we are having this sum in s. And if this sum is equal to the target sum, then we simply return, or we simply make this global b as 1. And if it become 1, then we simply return b. So after calling this pre-order traversal, the value of b become 1, so here it is going to return 1. So let's try to see what this pre-order function do. It firstly check the base case, that if root is null, then we return from there. Otherwise we just add the root value inside our integer s, and then we check that if there is no root left and root right, that is that particular root is the leaf, then what we do, we just check that if sum is equal to the target. If it is equal, then we just mark this boolean global variable as 1, and we recursively call for the pre-order traversal for the root left and the root right part. So let's try to submit this up. So yeah, this is the approach to solve the problem path sum, and if you want to access the code, then you can check the GitHub link given in the description. And this is it for this video. Thanks for watching.